So in this video we will learn that whenever we are asking something to ChatGPT or any other artificial intelligence tool, so we will request for the data or statistic. Suppose we are asking something to ChatGPT, right? So of course ChatGPT will provide some details, some output it will provide. So along with that we need additionally we want the supporting documents, we want supporting data, we want supporting statistic, so that the outcome become more accurate, more professional, more attractive, more detailed. Okay, so that's why whenever we will ask to ChatGPT or any other artificial tools, we will ask for the supporting documents, we will ask for the data for the as a supporting documents. Suppose it's okay, you are ChatGPT, you are providing me these details, you are telling me to do this thing. Okay, it's correct, but please provide me the supporting documents so that I can get the more confidence, I can get more confident, I can get more accurate data. For my better understanding also, you please provide me the reference data or a reference statistic. Okay, so here is the example. Suppose you are asking ChatGPT that discuss climate changes. So it's a very generic question you are asking to ChatGPT. So instead of that, what you will ask, discuss the impact of climate changes on sea levels. So this is also a prompt you are writing. Okay, additionally what you are doing, additionally you need to ask, include recent data and statistic from the scientific studies. So okay, so you are providing me the data, the impact of climate changes, it is correct only, but based on the scientific studies, based on the scientific scientific knowledge, you provide me the data and statistic. So what will happen is, it will be more professional, it will be more powerful, it will be more accurate, it will be more standard. Okay, so you are asking, additionally you are asking to provide the data or the statistic. Okay, based any output, of course ChatGPT will provide some answer, but based on that answer the supporting document should be there, so it will be more powerful. So in that case you are asking, discuss the impact of climate change on sea levels, including recent data and statistics from scientific studies. So based on the scientific studies you will provide me those data, so it will be more powerful. So again, the example number 2 is explain e-commerce growth. Again you are asking a static generic question you are asking to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT will provide you a generic answer, a detailed and broad answer it will provide. So if you want to modify this, if you want to narrow down this, how it will be, explain the growth of e-commerce in the past decade. Okay, it is correct only, providing key statistic and trends. So you are asking, again you are asking the additional information, providing key statistic and trends. Of course you will provide me the growth, you will explain me the data, you will explain me the growth of e-commerce in the past decade. Of course you will explain this, but additionally what you will do, you will provide me the key statistic and trends also you will provide. So I will get a clear idea, and based on that I can create my growth plan also, and it will provide more information about the it will provide more information, so that I can take the I can create a growth plan and all those things. So the basic thing is, it will provide me more data so that I can create my own growth plan. Okay, so additionally you are asking the data. Again, the example number 3 is describe a trend. So it's a very generic question you are asking to ChatGPT, but here what you will do, you can write, describe the trend of remote learning, including recent data on study enrollment and educational outcomes. Okay, so describe the trend of remote learning, okay, including recent data. So again you are asking, you are suggesting, you are telling ChatGPT that you take the recent data, don't give me the backend data last 10 years, last 15 years, don't include those data. You take the latest update, you take the latest update, you take the recent data, and then create my content. So describe the trend of remote learning, including recent data on student enrollment and educational outcomes. Okay, so the main actually the main story here, I want to say that we need some additional data so that my content become more powerful. Okay, so that's why along with the prompt you are asking additional data so that your prompt become your answer become your output become very powerful, very accurate. Okay, so we will go for the practical session. So here it is, discuss the climate changes. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT. So it's a very general question you are asking to, so it will provide a generic answer. See, more detailed and informative ideas it will provide. So what it is okay, it is saying that climate change refers to a long-term shift and alterations in temperature and weather patterns. All the basic information and detailed information it has provided. So for your knowledge purpose, for your idea purpose, it is correct only. But if you want to get more standard and professional and accurate to the point answer, so in that case you need to write prompt like this: discuss the impact of climate changes on sea levels, including recent data and statistics from scientific studies. So it will be more professional, it will be more accurate, it will be more powerful. So let's check. The main thing is we are wanting additional information about my prompt so that we can get more informative details. It's not responding, please bear with me. So I am hoping that you people are practicing, you people are creating your own example and you are practicing. So the more practice you will do, the you will become master on it. So you can apply on ChatGPT, you can apply any other platform also like Gemini, and I think in WhatsApp also some AI tools they have integrated. So all the platforms you can use the same kind of you can copy it and paste it, and then you can replace your content, so it will work like a magic. So the last prompt we got is, so let me paste this one. Let's check whether it's working or not. Okay, so here it is, I have pasted it, and now see the magic. So here I said you provide me the details but based on the recent data and statistics from scientific studies. Okay, so now see, it will see this content and this content. You can, if you read it, you can understand the impact of climate changes on sea levels is significant and well documented, as global temperature rise. Several processes contribute to sea level rise: the thermal expansion, the melting glaciers and ice caps, ice sheet dynamics. So based on the scientific research, based on the scientific studies, it has provided me the data. So it is more powerful. If you read, you can understand the what kind of qualities it has provided. Okay, so it is more professional, more powerful, more to the point, and more detailed, based on the scientific research, based on the scientific studies. It has provided me the data. Okay, so again, let me go to the another example. So here you are suppose explain e-commerce growth. Now I am going to here explain the growth. So it will provide me a generic answer. Let's check. I don't know why it is. Okay, so it's giving me the details explain e-commerce growth. So it's providing a broad answer, it providing me a detailed and it explaining a lot. So detailed information it's providing key drivers of e-commerce growth. Then it's asking future trends, recent data and statistic, and all the details it's providing. Actually it has taken the information for the this output this question. Okay, so again, so we have got the standard for information purpose we have got the idea. For information purpose we have got the idea for it is correct only, but we need some modified, some to the point answer. So now and latest update we want, so that's why we will ask explain the growth of e-commerce in the past decade providing key statistic and trends. It will be more professional, it will be more accurate, more powerful also. See, here is the quality. The growth of e-commerce over the past decade has been remarkably driven by the advancement in technology, changes in consumer behavior, and the shift in retail practice. Here are some key statistics and trends that illustrate this growth. Okay, so market size and growth rate. Again, shift in consumer spending, market segmentation, regional trends, technological advancement, impact of COVID-19, future trends. So it's providing a lot of detailed information, as well as keeping in mind that I told the statistic and trends. So it has provided me the trends also, the past trends, regional trends it's provided, and as well as future trends also. Okay, so now I think it's pretty clear to you that how you can create how you can write a prompt. Okay, so how you can write a prompt. So based on this, you of course you need to use the data and statistic. So whenever you are asking anything to ChatGPT, you need to ask about about the relevant data or the statistic. Okay, so it is very important and it is very powerful keyword, you need to use it. So like this way you can copy this and paste the prompt and replace your content, so it will work like a magic. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, you create your own example and practice. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you.